Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how many views do you need to make money on the YouTube. So if you want to make money through YouTube, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So many of you guys are searching for this query, how many views do you need to make money on the YouTube. So if you are content creator and already uploaded a content and you on YouTube, but you get nothing because there is some requirement that YouTube pays you. First of all, you need 1000 subscriber, as you will see channel membership. So you need a 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch or to fulfill the requirement. Once you will do it, your channel monetization will be on, and after that your earning will be start, and it depend on CPC rate or CPM rate. So this is the way. First of all, you have to fulfill 1000 subscriber on your channel, as well as your content must be a watch or of the 4000 or so. This is the way you can get you can get paid after it. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank